Hi, welcome to Semester 2 2020 Monash University Malaysia. My name is Dr. Nurhazliza binti Arifin. I'm the lecturer from Common Engineering Discipline. I'll be teaching you ENG 1811, Automated, Integrated and Connected. In ENG 1811, we will be covering 4 out of 9 pillars Industry 4.0, which are IoT, cloud computing, big data, and augmented reality. As a university student, you are expected to take responsibilities for your own learning. I am sure that you have done this in previous semester in another unit. So, in this unit, we will do the same process as well. Every week, you will need to prepare and watch pre-recorded lecture video. To test you what you have done and watch, you will need to complete the quiz on Moodle in most weeks before you come to online live 1-hour workshop session. Then, at the workshop session, we will show you how the theory apply and to fix together to help you to complete 2 major projects over the semester. The unique thing about ENG 1811 is that you will experience a new way of learning through gamification during the 1-hour weekly live workshop session. The gamification of learning is an approach that I have implemented to motivate you students in order to learn, and the goal is to maximize enjoyment and engagement and of course learning at the same time. So you will need to participate and involve also playing games in order to earn points. It will indicate your marks and your grade. Later in a week, you will work on your projects and apply what you have learned at practical classes where you will have to apply a similar way. You will have to watching videos, reading lab manuals and completing pre-practical quizzes, again to test your understanding. This preparation will then help you to work through the practical class work efficiently, and the most important aspects in the practical class and projects will be all done in team. As an engineer, you always certainly work in team in order to solve problems. So this is what we will apply in ENG 1811, where you will work together in team. So, one more thing. Please take note that the team will semi-randomly assigned by us, and please help with this. We will require you to complete the activities found in week 0 section on Moodle. To filling out the Balbin team inventory can quite tricky. Please carefully read the instructions to make sure that all points that you allocate into each section are integers and they are total to 10. Then, in table 2, you need to make sure that you transpose the numbers from table 1 correctly. Take the values from the total in table 2 and enter this into the ENG Teamwork Inventory Survey. Ideally, the sum of all your values will add up to 70. That's it from me now. Looking forward to meet you all in the next live workshop session. We're going to have many games in online workshop session. Games and activities that we are going to have, such as digital escape rooms, scavengers hunt, jigsaw puzzles, and many more. Please make sure you participate all these online workshop gamification. And all these game, I'm sure that you will get going, make you laugh, get you excited, and of course learning at the same time. So come and join online workshop ENG 1811. Of course, games are fun, and who doesn't want to have fun while learning, right? See you in the next workshop session. Bye.